G'day guys, and welcome back to Thumpstar. Today is a short video on the mini colour change kit. That is part number 7855. That kit is going to fit the TSC range, which we have in front of us here. That's a TSC 110, 125 and 140. It's also going to fit the TSK 50 and 90, and it's also going to fit the TSB 70. So we're just going to have a look inside this colour change kit now and see what it actually has in it. So inside you will see it comes complete with 2 pairs of orange side panels, 2 pairs of red side panels. You've got your pink side panels, teal as well. You've got the plain black ones, and you've also got the front fender guard there in black, which is compatible with all the colours. These are the inserts which are used to fill in the little hollow section on the side panels, and you've also got a set of colour changing decals so that you can adjust everything to match the panels that you put on. Today we have opted to put the teal coloured plastics on, so we're just going to run through in this short little video and show you exactly how to change the colour of your bike using the 7855 part number Stealth Colour Change Kit Mini. To remove the plastics assembly on the TSC range, it's all going to come off in one piece, including the seat. We're going to undo this bolt here. We're going to undo this bolt here next to the exhaust. You have 2 at the rear there, and you have 1 more under here. So once we've undone all of these, we're going to lift the assembly off in one piece, and we'll show you that in just a second. Now that we've got all of those bolts undone, Shawnee's just going to lift it off and show you how that comes off nice and easily in one piece. We're just going to set that there to the side and get into the next step. And the process involved in removing the side panels are going to be the 2 Phillips head screws there to remove this panel, and then the 3 Phillips head screws here to remove the whole panel. So with those 2 panels off, you can now get the colour that you have selected. Like we've said before, we are going to use the teal coloured panels, and you are going to place those back on in the exact same way that the original panels came off. So Shawnee's just tightening up the last couple of screws there. We've decided we're going to be a bit creative here and mix and match. We're going to put the pink grills inside the teal panels. See how that comes up. And this just goes to show that you've got lots of possibilities, because as we've shown you, you have all the different coloured panels and you've got all the different coloured infill panels, so you can mix and match and go that 2-tone kind of look if that suits your liking. So very easy, as Shawnee has showed you, they just screw straight in. Looks quite interesting, I think. Same for the other side. So with that put together, you're going to place that back on the bike, install it the reverse of which you removed it. So just placing all the nuts and bolts back in the reverse order, and then we will get started on applying the decals and doing the front guard as well. When it comes time to removing the front fender, it's very simple. You just have 1, 2, 3 bolts there at the front and your fender will come straight off. With the black front guard installed, you now want to prepare that surface to apply the decals. Give it a little bit of a wipe to get any dirt and grime off it. That'll make the decals stick a little bit better. Just being sure there to push any air bubbles out to the sides. And the last step is you can pull that protective coating off and expose the lovely Thumpstar decals. Pretty much the same process for the side panels. As we said, give them a bit of a wipe, any grease and grime and debris comes off, and that's going to allow you to stick that sticker on much better. There you have the colour change kit applied to a TSC 110. You can see how that dramatically changes the appearance of the bike. And a great little investment to give yourself that little bit of customisation. Once again, these parts can be ordered at thumpstar.com.au, part number 7855. We hope you've enjoyed watching this, and thanks for choosing Thumpstar, guys.